Hi guys, this is Christy. I just wanted to show you this journal I finished for my mom, and I wanted to get a video up because tomorrow's her birthday and I'm going to be giving it to her. This is just a gutted book, and I used a kit from Artie Mays, Vintage Rose I believe it's called, and yeah, it turned out real cute. I'm real excited. So most of this, actually all of this, was in my stash. I don't know where it came from, but this image here is from the kit, and I'll put a link below. This put some lace on here and covered up some, I put a fabric spine. Then I just put a little image on the back to match the front. But yeah, this was really fun to do. Mom and I both love roses. So this came with the kit. Just a little coin envelope. There's a little journaling card inside. And I just did the front pocket. This paper's from the kit. Postcard. I did that also on I printed that out on cardstock, so a little stiffer. This is just a part of the paper that I printed, but this card came from a bridge set. I got it Tuesday morning. I just thought it was so pretty. And this is from the Promise Box, I believe. It's just, it looks like a deck of cards, but it's just a bunch of promises. And then just a tag with some of the lined paper. And I glued some of the lace on the sides. Coffee dyed all the papers. And used some eyelash yarn on these tags. Coffee dyed doily. The belly band with some of my fabric swatches from some fabrics that I've designed in the past. Just a blank coffee dyed paper, little notepad, and there's another image from the kit. Did a little stamping here and there, not too much. I want to be able to have her have plenty of space for writing. And this little banner cluster I saw somewhere, and I'm sorry, I don't remember where I saw it. Just used some coffee dyed index cards. I didn't like the way this envelope turned out, so I decided to make it into a pocket. So I just glued it down to the green bar paper. This is a Daily Bread little Bible verse. I made some clips to go in here. Another tag and pocket from the kit. Piece of music paper. This is just coffee dyed envelope, and this is from a snippet trim I did, and I just made these for another project, and I had a couple left over, so I stuck those in here. Put some pearls on. Another image. These stamps came from Tuesday morning, and I want to say they are, yes, they're from the Downton Abbey stamp sets that I bought there a couple years ago. More paper from the kit. This is a page from Victorian Ladies Country Flowers, I believe, and then I just put just some extra paper folded up inside here. Lace on top and bottom. Lots and lots of journaling space. I wanted to give this to her so she likes to write. I don't know that she necessarily keeps a daily journal, but yeah, plenty of writing space. She can write down her thoughts or stories or whatever she feels led. There's another piece of fabric that I designed. And pocket that came with the kit, journal card that came with the kit. Lots and lots of really cute papers in this. And like I said, this is just from a deck of cards. I want to say it's the Joker. Again, from the Grace Pack deck. More tags. Belly band. I pretty much did the same in the second signature as the first to keep it simple. And yeah, another envelope with just a scrap from the kit. Actually, I think I used all of the kit pages in here and all the ephemera. I don't remember. I might have had a couple little lined pages left over, but the majority of it is in here. The banners all came with the kit. So those were a lot of fun. Another pocket, tag, and journal card. These images with the butterflies are so pretty. So, and then I put a back pocket. It's another journaling card. It's a little tight. And that's it. Yeah, so I hope she enjoys it. I think she will. And I hope you enjoyed seeing it. And like I said, I'll put all the links for the things that I used in the description box. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.